Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, it's early morning, a little bit chilly today for some weird reason, but I'm out here at my local field to fly some planes. Now, I always come out in the mornings for relaxation and fly large RC planes, like I have a little twin plane down there that I'm going to fly, but I also bring little planes to have a lot of fun with because I like little planes as well. So today I have this one over here, and it's sort of like a cartoony plane. Doesn't that look like the, something you would see off Bugs Bunny or I don't know, one of those cartoon shows? So it's over here. It's called the A250. Also comes in a Corsair version, which is pretty cool. And it comes with this tiny little remote. You get about 12 minutes of flight time with the included battery. I'm going to take it here on my little pavement area and over some grass, and hopefully I don't crash it into a million pieces. But if you want to learn more about it before we go for our flight, watch this really quick. This is the box your cartoon Warbird comes in. It needs a little bit of assembly, very quick to assemble. It does come with its own remote, and you will have to provide your own 4 AA batteries for it. Once you assemble everything, it looks pretty amazing, and it even has stability so that it won't fall out of the sky. If you don't know how to fly, it will fly for you. A 400 milliamp hour LiPo battery is included. Just plug it in, put it in the plane, and you're off to the races. Battery charger and spare props are provided. The landing wheels, you can put them on or not put them on because you can hand toss this. As you can imagine, the plane is very light. It only weighs 61 grams. All right, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is turn this on, the remote. Put the left joystick down, the throttle, put that up there. Then on the back here, there's a little hatch. We open that and we put our battery in. Now the funny thing with the instructions on this, it doesn't say where the center of gravity is. So I'm just going to put the battery in anywhere and we'll see how it flops around. It just goes in straight like that. That's the way it's designed. So here we go. So we just connect our battery. There we are. And you just put it in the little hole like that. Straight in. It sits in there. Put the cover back on so it doesn't fall out. And it is on. And now what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to adjust itself after you move this joystick up and down. Okay, that was not right. Hang on a sec. There we go. Now, what am I doing out here? Do I have any idea how to fly this? All right, we got prop movement, we got wheels. Let's see if we can fly it. Here we go. A little bit of elevator. Take off. Whoa! And we lost the prop. Apparently I did not put that on tight enough. Okay, I think that's on proper now. Maybe I'll just toss it. I think it has its own little safety system. At least the safe was working. Yeah, the safe is working. We're gonna toss this thing. Okay, so what I learned is you have to be very slow on the movements of the joysticks. There we go. And I missed the post. Thank God for that. There's another post. Oh, it's pretty good. It moves pretty quick. Here, let me turn this power down. Do some passes in front of us. This is a cartoony plane, so I expect cartoony results. Now, I do see if I go really slow, I can almost stall it, so I gotta go fast. Oh, I see you need almost 75% throttle to keep it in the air. All right, let's bring it back this way. Over my head, here we go. Over my head. Miss all the lampposts, go around that one, and then full power and bring it back. There we go, we can do a nice turn, and then let's go over here and see if I can land it really quick. Try my first landing. So we'll go down this way. Go way down there, and then turn sharply with full power. And then here we go. We just aim at us, reduce power, and it should land. Look at that, look at that. Holy cowabunga, that's pretty good. This thing's so cool. This is hilarious. All right, so I'm out at my big field over here and I'm gonna fly it. Here we go. Oh, that sun blinded me. Probably get a better view of it now. I'll do some low passes right past me now that I'm out in the field and I don't have to worry about lamp posts getting banged into. So here we go. I'm bringing it around for a low pass. I'll bring it down. There we go, right up me. Oh, I got a jogger. Sorry about that. Coming at me. There we go. Come at me again. Look at this thing go. Isn't that a blast? Holy cow. It's supposed to go for 12 minutes continuous, so it's a long flight time for a little guy like this. Let's bring it down for a nice, low, gravelly pass here. Let's go down. Bring it back this way. And nice sharp turn. And we'll come down low to the gravel. Here we go. I'm gonna float above the gravel if I can. There we go. Whoa! Super low pass. Very easy to fly. You just have to remember that it's very slow movements on the joysticks. It's like grandpa driving the car and try to avoid a bus. Same thing, you know, very slow movements, no hurry to get out of the way of anything. If you move the joysticks too fast, it's going to go out of control one direction. You'll try to compensate the other way, and it takes a while to come back to compensation. So yeah, just slow movements. I'm having no issue flying this now. And for your control of keeping it in the air, it's just all the throttle. If you put too little throttle, it's going to fall out of the air. You put too much throttle, well, you'll go really fast. Now, it does say you can do 3D flips and all sorts of things, so I will try that really quick. It says you just tap this button up here, and that's what happens. Got to bring it in camera range so you can see this. So here we go, and I'm going to put it in 3D right about now. And there's a flip. It's going over. Whoa, the 3D works. Here's a roll. Ready? Roll. Yeah. So we just put our little prop back on, and we're all good to go again. And we have all these little people running as part of their morning gym class. Okay, we'll go chase them. You just throw it and it will right itself and fly itself again. Most awesome thing ever made on the planet. All right, let's bring it in for a landing. Come down nice and low, right at me, right at me. And throttle off and flip. That's not a good landing. We have Joe checking it out. Checking out the controls, checking out the plane. There she goes. Nice even motion on the controls, and she's all yours. Did it do something?
Oh yeah.
Oh! What do you think?
I think it's a lot of fun. It is squirrely. The ailerons do move rather slowly, as you can see on the ground. However, in the air, if you're fully aware of that it's very gradual movements, I think you're okay.
Joe is going to try a grass landing. Here he comes. Grass landing! And look at that, it's perfect! I've never seen such a good grass landing. All right, I got two cameras going. I've got the GoPro and I have the DJI Action 2 over here, so I'll try to speak into both of them. So that was the end of my 12 minutes of flight with this baby. It flies for a long time. I really enjoy it. You might see it out here flying again because it's a lot of fun for a guy like me who likes little planes as well as large planes. These are really fun to fly around parking lots, as I was doing here. All right, guys, I'm going to put links below where you can find this little guy. I highly suggest that you check it out. I don't think it's very expensive, and it's a lot of fun to fly. And it looks hilarious when it's in the air. Look at how goofy looking this thing looks. When it's flying around, it just looks like it shouldn't fly because it just looks like a cartoony plane. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in future videos with RC cars, RC planes, and oh yeah, RC helicopters, and of course, RC drones. Until then, I say bye.